Hello friends, CD from AK3R here, 잘 지내요? I'm late, I'm itching, I'm late on a lot of reactions, and I'm playing catch up now. I'm late. So first I'm gonna react to Mamamoo's 1cm. It is 1cm, right? I think. I would talk and everything, but I'm late, so I gotta catch up. I'm ready and go.
여기 나보다 큰 사람 있어? 없으면 됐어.
What you got to say, Hwasa? What?
너보다 내가 더 커. 넌 생역시.
I'm so confused. Hwasa says. What? What? Solar says. Solar, you look like you ain't not about this life. No, I don't know what you're saying. Mambule says, you tiny. She's literally talking down to you. The lip switch. Get down there, little girl. So who is the tallest one in this group? Yes, Hwasa. Oh, I'm guessing Mian's the shortest? I cannot take this seriously. Who you about? Gnarly! Hwasa has a nice grunt in her voice. Yes. Leaning in real close there. I cannot take this seriously. What?
여기 나보다 큰 사람 있어? 너보다 내가 더 커. 너보다 내가 더 커. 너보다 내가 더 커. 너보다 내가 더 커.
What the?
너보다 내가 더 커. 너보다 내가 더 커.
I'm so confused.
너보다 내가 더 커. 너보다 내가 더 커. 잘 들어 난쟁이들아. 내가 이 바닥에서 너보다 내가 더 커.
Looks like, is that
너보다 내가 더 커.
reminds me of
너보다 내가 더
Jess? No. Is she trying to be Jessie? Or Yuchidam? That was so random. I'm sitting here speaking like some jazzy upbeat, like but what? I'm not even gonna question it. I won't question it. I shall not question that. That random trap beat though. Oh Lord. What is... Alright, Mamamoo. I guess I get the message. Next up is Taeyeon. Okay, guys. Funny story about this one. I thought I had my charger for my phone on me. Where did it go? Where's my charger? Oh, there it is! In my pocket the whole time. I thought I had reacted to Taeyeon already. I could have sworn that I did, and then I realized I just had watched the teaser over and over. Turns out I had just watched the teaser over and over again. Because, like, I saw a comment, it was just like, you reacted to the teaser, where's the MV? And I was like, I did react to the MV. And I looked up, I was like, no, I didn't react to the MV. This whole time, I'm sitting here thinking I had heard Taeyeon's new song, and I hadn't. Like, I was like, I know Taeyeon's song, it goes like, oh crap, I really haven't seen it. So now I shall make up for this lost time. I'm so sorry I did not react to this sooner. I'm so sorry. I'm going to react to it now. Taeyeon's Rain. Am I ready? And go. My Taeyeon! I heard about the real reason why you cut your hair, girl. Don't mess up your hair, child. That ain't good for you. I was expecting her to sing Singing in the Rain that point. Yes, Taeyeon. This is like, it's raining outside, and you're trying to get into Starbucks, or Books A Million, or Panera at the last minute. La 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 la. You might want to get that leak checked out, honey. Yeah. She is just so pretty. I just had to just stop and admire her for a minute there. I hope you got flood insurance. I really hope you got flood insurance. That is so pretty. Okay, that scene is so beautiful. Okay, guys. One thing I think... Plastic surgery or not, you guys? Taeyeon's visuals are on point, okay? If she did go to get a plastic surgery, whoever her plastic surgeon is needs a raise, okay? And second of all, them vocals. Yes. It's so weird. I'm used to hearing Taeyeon like, ah! Like, not screaming, but like tossing on a few ad-libs here and there. I mean, not ad-libs, like power notes here and there. I'm not used to reserved vocals, Taeyeon. That's something I'm gonna have to get used to. And maybe not. I think, in my opinion, I think when you do these softer songs, I think you should try to add, instead of like the power Ailey notes, the Christina Aguilera notes, work in the little Mariah Carey notes and the high falsettos, not the ah. It's like the little small little runs here and there. Add a nice little spin on it. But overall, yes, Taeyeon. I loving Taeyeon's in the Rain. I don't know why I'm rocking like this. I really don't know. But I'm sorry it took me so long to react to this, guys. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. Follow me on social media. Links are in the description. Shout out to my co-hosts featured on the channel, past, present, and future. Representing MacG Productions. I am CD. Goodbye.